I'ma still be like this. Comfort zone.
We cook,
Season, we cook it, we eat it. Season, we cook it, we eat it.
A
Hey,
drizzle,
hey.
a pop. A drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a drizzle, a drizzle, a pop.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jill Comfort Zone. Hey. Hey guys, so today we will be making some delicious baked barbecue chicken. And as you can see, I have some baked barbecue chickpeas and some salad there with Italian creamy dressing. And I have me a glass of some delicious lemon water with a little bit of sweetener in it. And so let's get into this video. Please give me a thumbs up and share me out, guys. Let's get into this delicious baked barbecue chicken. And I will be right back. So our chicken has been seasoned already. We have our diced onions. We have some basil, cilantro, and chopped fresh parsley. We have some green and red peppers, and some smashed garlic there. So this is what we seasoned our chicken with already. We have the garlic powder, black pepper, Creole seasoning, and onion powder with some hot sauce. And we're just going to add some red crushed pepper flakes to this. So let's go ahead and finish off our chicken so we can go ahead and put it in a baking dish and get it in the oven. All right, guys, I'm back. And don't forget 2 more ingredients we will be putting in here, which we need. We got that yellow mustard. Okay. Can y'all see? Sorry. And we got that W sauce. Yes. Can't forget that. So season however you season your chicken, okay? This is only a little bit of chicken. So about a tablespoon of each, and sprinkle as much red crushed peppers as you like. And let's get this all tossed together. Okay. And you also are going to need a little bit of chicken stock or chicken broth, whatever you like, guys. Okay. Normally I'll just go in here with my hands. Okay. But I got some other dishes to make. And this baked barbecue chicken is going to be so delicious, guys. Listen, that homemade barbecue sauce is going to turn this up. Okay, ain't nothing like some salad, some barbecue chicken, fried chicken, corn on the cob, some greens. Yes, honey. All right, guys, so we're about to put this in the dish, and we're going to bake this on 350 degrees for about 40 minutes, covered with some aluminum foil. And then we will take it out, put our barbecue sauce on it, start basting it, and let it cook the remainder 15 to 20 minutes, turning on each side with that barbecue sauce on it. Oh, baby, this is about to be delicious. So I will be right back. All right, guys, so I'm using some chicken stock. All right, and you don't need that much. Remember, your chicken is going to make its own juices. So that's good. Use the rest that I had in the fridge. All right, we're going to cover this baby up, and I will see you guys in about 40 minutes. Hey guys, so the chicken is time to take the foil off. The chicken is tender, so now it's time to go ahead and apply your barbecue sauce and go put it back in the oven and let it cook for about 15 more minutes, guys. Ooh, it smells so good in here. It's about to be banging. Guys, look at that beautiful results of that barbecue sauce. Yes, look at that thickness. Thick, delicious. Oh my goodness. The tangy, just the right amount of spices, not too hot. We're gonna bake this for 15 more minutes. I'm ready to eat, guys. All right, so we're gonna bake this for 15 minutes uncovered in the oven, and our chicken should be done. All right, guys, so I'll be right back. Whew. What's up, guys? I done let my food get a little cold. Oh, but I need something in my body. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Y'all see that deliciousness? Mmm. Listen. Chicken. Let's taste this chicken. Mmm. 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 Baby, this barbecue sauce is hitting. I'm gonna need y'all. Try this. And these baked barbecue chickpeas. It's truly delicious, guys. So, do you have it? Oven baked barbecue chicken. But I'm gonna bust this down. So thank y'all for coming. I truly appreciate you guys each and every time. Welcome to all and any of my new family. I truly appreciate you guys for being here. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you'll try it in your home with your family. And let me know if you try it. And don't forget to share me out to your family and friends and let them know what we're doing over here at Jill's Comfort Zone. All I want to do is love on you while you love on me. And with that being said, if your heart feels content to do so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, and turn it gray. And hit the notification bell so you can be reminded of when I come to you with another video. Ooh, this is about to be refreshing, this lemon. Yes. Some natural sweetener in there. It tastes so good. Anyway, guys, I will see you on the next video. I appreciate you watching the last video. Go ahead and go over and check out this delicious barbecue sauce recipe. The video will be somewhere in here. So you guys stay blessed. I love you. And peace out. Later.